Good day everyone, my name is Janjo Espinas, fourth year of business student from CBS UAC Pocot. And today I will discuss the four important of management strategies. But before that, what is the lesson objective of this topic? So the lesson objective of this study is to evaluate the effectiveness of different soil management strategies such as contour farming, terracing, cover crops, and mulching and reducing soil erosions and surface runoff. It aims to determine how this practice helps slow water movement, improve water infiltration, and protect the soil surface. The study also seeks to assess their role in maintaining soil fertility and promoting sustainable land management. First is the contour farming. Contour farming, planting along the natural contour of the land to reduce runoff. Halimbawa nito sa bukid, inaararo ng magsasaka ang lupa at nilalagyan ng pananim ang kanilang inaararo at mababawasan ang soil erosion or pagguho ng lupa, mapapabagal din ang pag-agos ng tubig at mas lalong mapapaganda ang kanilang ani. Next is the terracing. Terracing create terraces on slope to slow down water flow and increase water infiltration. Halimbawa nito ang rice terraces sa Banawe. Ginagawa nilang hagdan ang lupa para maiwasan ang pag-agos ng tubig or mabawasan ang soil erosion at lalong mas mapapaganda ang kanilang ani. Next is the cover crops. Cover crops, planting cover crops to protect the soil surface and prevent erosion. Ito naman ay nagtatanim para hindi anihin kundi para takpan ang lupa at mas mapaganda ang lupa. Halimbawa nito ang mani, munggo, kamote at iba pa dahil pwede pang maging pataba ang mga dahon nito. So next is the mulching. Mulching using organic or inorganic materials to cover the soil surface and reduce water and wind erosions. Ito naman ay paglalagay ng pantakip sa ibabaw ng lupa upang maprotektahan ang mga pananim. Halimbawa sa bukid namin is nagtatanim ang parents ko ng luya po. Then tinatakpan nila ng dahon ng nyog para hindi ito masira or mas mapaganda ang pagtubo ng dahon nito o mas mapaganda ang ani nito. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.